Welcome back. This is the train channel. We got a light powered train. Let's check it out. I already looked at the background. There must be nothing behind it, so it has a light powered train. But we don't know. Let's see. They're gonna pick up those 3 grain hoppers. Or that's gonna be it. Well, looks like that's gonna be it. But the switch didn't move. That's why.
And it's pretty close to him.
Yeah. They're gonna pick up that. Might be picking up that Alco. They might be picking up that Alco 85 maybe.
Is that the Oil City track?
This is the Oil City track, yes, right now.
So you think they're done?
Yeah, it looks like they're done. Yeah. Alright, that's gonna be it. I think they're done for the day. So that's gonna be it. We'll be back on. Talk to you later.